Welcome to 3 Minutes Fix. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Office showing setup errors. It asks me to uninstall 32-bit Office. So let's go ahead and fix it. Go to the Start menu and type regedit and then press Enter. Press Yes in UAC pop-up. Now press the classic_root folder. Under that root, search for the term installer. In installer root, choose products folder. Before deleting any reg file, it's mandatory to back up the existing file in case something went wrong. Right-click and choose Export and then save it in a safe location. Now click that MS Office registry files and choose Delete. After doing this, let's try to run the setup file again. Microsoft Office starts to install successfully. Now we came to the end of this video session. If this video solved your problem, please don't forget to tell us via comment. Do subscribe to this channel, because this motivates us to make interesting solution videos. If this video solves your problem, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching.